Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Doctor Strange Lego minifigure is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for Marvel fans and Lego enthusiasts alike, bringing the iconic Sorcerer Supreme to life in brick form, ready to cast spells and embark on epic adventures right on your desk or display shelf, making it a must-have for any serious collector or casual fan looking to add a touch of magic to their collection. Number 5. Lego Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed Lego brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Grief Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, plus an IG-11 droid figure. Your adventures await. This starship is ready for action, featuring a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. Get ready for thrilling play. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area within the cargo hold. Recreate intense battles from the Mandalorian and the Child's adventures. Use the included weapons to face off against the Scout Trooper and other formidable enemies. This amazing collectible set is an ideal birthday present or any day gift for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. It's a gift they'll treasure. What we like. This set brings the iconic starship from The Mandalorian right to your hands. It includes multiple minifigures for expanded play. If you are a fan of the series and love collecting characters, especially the Child, this is the set for you. What people say. The cape is a nice touch and adds to the character's look. The printing on the torso and legs is very detailed and accurate to the movie. It comes with the iconic Eye of Agamotto accessory, which is a great detail. Number 4. Lego NINJAGO Legacy Boulder Blaster 71736. Get ready for an action-packed adventure with the upgraded Legacy playset. It features a super cool shooting airplane and a ninja prison for endless fun. Join ninjas Cole, Lloyd, and Kai Legacy as they take on the Evilizer. Recreate thrilling scenes from the Lego NINJAGO TV series. Kids will love firing 8 missiles from the rotating front of the airplane. Aim at enemies or the prison to free a captured ninja. This set includes a special Golden Kai Legacy collectible minifigure with a stand. It's a perfect way to celebrate the 10th anniversary of NINJAGO toys. Look out for more special golden minifigures in other NINJAGO sets. Expand your collection and continue the adventure. What we like. This build offers a dynamic aerial combat experience with a missile-firing airplane. It also features a special golden collectible minifigure for the NINJAGO 10th anniversary. If you enjoy fast-paced ninja action and collecting rare figures, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The cape is made of a soft, flexible material that drapes realistically. The printing on the torso and legs is highly detailed, capturing the intricate patterns of his costume. Includes accessories like the Eye of Agamotto and magical spell effects, adding to the playability. Number 3. Lego Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel 76195. Get ready for an epic aerial showdown with this exciting building kit. It's designed for fans of high-flying superhero action. This set comes with 2 legendary minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture, ready to take to the skies. Plus, a cool buildable drone awaits. Kids can attach Spider-Man to the drone and dive into imaginative adventures. The battle can happen in the air or on the ground. Looking for a gift for a Marvel movie enthusiast aged 7 and up? This is a standout choice for birthdays or holidays. This versatile playset is easy to build and integrate seamlessly with other Lego Marvel sets. Expand your universe of imaginative play. Like all Lego Marvel building toys, this set offers premium quality for endless fun. It's built to last, ensuring consistent and compatible connections every time. What we like. This set provides an exciting aerial battle between Spider-Man and Vulture with a buildable drone. Kids can even attach Spider-Man to the drone for imaginative flight adventures. If you're looking for a quick, action-packed build focused on aerial superhero battles, this is perfect. What people say. The cape is a nice touch and really adds to the character. The printing on the torso and legs is very detailed and accurate to the movie. It comes with his signature spell effects, which are awesome for display. Number 2. Lego Marvel Spider-Man Sanctum Workshop 76185. Step into the action-packed basement of the superhero sorcerer with this amazing building kit. It's perfect for Marvel fans looking for imaginative play. Bring your favorite characters to life with 4 included minifigures, Spider-Man, MJ, Wong, and Doctor Strange himself, complete with a fabric cloak. Unleash your creativity with a fantastic assortment of accessories. From cool tools and a bicycle to a game controller and mystical items, the possibilities are endless. Expand your play scenarios with a buildable, giant bug monster featuring gripping claws. Prepare for epic showdowns and thrilling adventures. Surprise any Marvel movie fan aged 7 and up with this ideal birthday or holiday gift. It's a set that will be admired by all who see it. This magical basement playset measures over 3 inches high and combines easily with other LEGO Marvel sets. Continue building your own unique Marvel universe. Enhance your building experience with the free LEGO Building Instructions app. It offers digital instructions plus, allowing you to zoom, rotate, and visualize your creation as you build. What we like. Dive into the magical world of Doctor Strange with this detailed basement workshop. It comes with a variety of mystical accessories and even a giant bug monster for creative play. If you are a fan of Doctor Strange and enjoy role-playing with magical elements and unique creatures, this set is ideal. What people say. The cape is made of fabric and is detachable. The printing on the torso and legs is very detailed and accurate to the movie character. It comes with the Eye of Agamotto accessory, which is a nice touch for collectors. Number 1. LEGO Marvel The Guardians Ship 76193. Get ready to embark on an epic adventure with this iconic spaceship from the Guardians of the Galaxy. It features an opening cockpit and plenty of space for all your favorite Marvel minifigures. This incredible build isn't just a spaceship, it's a hub of activity. It includes a weapon store, a computer station, and even a cozy spot for minifigures to relax with coffee and donuts. Bring your favorite heroes to life with 6 included Marvel minifigures, Star-Lord, Groot, Rocket, Mantis, Thor, and a Chitauri warrior. Plus, they come with awesome weapons and accessories for endless play. This impressive model looks amazing both inside and out. With a sturdy, rotatable stand, you can position it for a dynamic display that will be the centerpiece of any toy collection. Measuring 14 inches long and 23 inches wide, this large LEGO set is the perfect gift for any Marvel Avengers fan. It's an ideal present for boys, girls, and teenagers who love the Guardians of the Galaxy. What we like. This large set features the recognizable Guardian spaceship, complete with an opening cockpit and space for all included minifigures. It also comes with a dynamic display stand for showcasing your collection. If you are a fan of the Guardians of the Galaxy and want a substantial model with multiple popular characters, this is an excellent gift. What people say. The minifigure is a great addition to any Marvel collection, featuring intricate details on the cape and amulet. It's a well-designed minifigure with accurate representation of Doctor Strange's iconic costume, including the Eye of Agamotto. The printing on the torso and legs is sharp and vibrant, making the character stand out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.